Grade 8, this is a math lesson for lesson 12-2, talking about measures of variation. And the measures of variation they're interested in are something called range and something called interquartile range. So I'm going to do a number of problems, and hopefully this will make sense to you. This is actually a review from 7th grade, but maybe you've forgotten it, maybe you haven't. Here we go. Okay, first of all, I got this set of numbers up here. You might notice it's one of your problems from the textbook, or the worksheet. It's worksheet problem number 1. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these numbers in order from largest to from smallest to largest. So I've got the 3, the 4, the 5, and then there's 6, and then there's the 8, the 9, and what's next? The 11 and the 12. Okay, so I got them in order from smallest to largest. Second thing I'm going to do is I look for the smallest number, and I look for the biggest number, and I subtract them. Biggest, smallest. 12 minus 3 equals 9. 9 is the range. That's the first thing they're asking us to look for. Real easy. Put the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Take the smallest number and subtract it from the largest number. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9's the range. First part of the problem. Second part of the problem. They want us to find something called the interquartile range. The interquartile range. Question is, how do we find it? The first thing we have to do is we have to find the middle number in the set of data. So I'm going to count from both ends. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Ooh, there's 2 middle numbers. Did you see that? 2 middle numbers, the 6 and the 8. If we only have one middle number, that's easy. It's the middle number. And we call that the median, right? Remember that? The middle number is called the median. But in this case, we have 2, so we're going to add them up. 6 plus 8 is 14. And we're going to divide that 14 by 2. And when we do that, we're going to find that our median is a value of 7. Okay? Now, we're not going to use that median. We're just going to put it here. And now we're going to re-look at the data. And we're going to say, don't include the median in this. We're going to look at all of the numbers smaller than the median. And we're going to look at all of the numbers bigger than the median. And we're going to find the middle number of this set of data and the middle number of this set of data. They're going to be called the lower quartile and the upper quartile. So with this set of data, it has 2 middle numbers, the 4 and the 5. And so our lower quartile is 4 plus 5, which is 9, divided by 2, which gives us a lower quartile of 4.5. So our median is 7. Our lower quartile is 4.5. Over here, my 2 middle numbers are 9 and 11. I add them up, and my upper quartile is 20 divided by 2, or 10. We're getting there. We're getting there. Now, how do I find the interquartile range? Well, that's the range of the quartiles. The range of the quartiles, interquartile range. So I take this number minus this number. 10 minus 4.5. And that gives me an answer of 5.5. So my range is 9. My interquartile range is 5.5 in this particular case. And I just lost my eraser. But we'll use this. Okay, let's try it with a different set of data. What if our set of data looks like this? 2, 5, 10, 12, 12, 15, 19, 21, 24, 28. I'm going to give one more number. There we go. And notice I put these numbers in order from smallest to largest right off the bat. First step, let's find the range. Lowest number, highest number. My range is 30 minus 2, or 28. There's my first value. The range is 28. Now, I've got to find those quartiles. But first, to find the quartiles, I look for the middle number. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Hey, there's only one middle number this time. the middle number, the median, is 15. Okay? Now, we're going to ignore that. We're going to look at all of the numbers smaller than the median, and we're going to look at all of the numbers bigger than the median. What's the median of this data? The 10. 10 is our lower quartile. What's the median of this data? 24 is our middle number. That's our upper quartile. If I want to find my interquartile range, it's the range of the two quartiles. What's the range of these two numbers? 24 minus 10, 14. Done. How do I do it when they give you a stem and leaf plot, Mr. Panko? How do I do it when they're given a stem and a leaf plot? Trust me, it's not that hard. It's not that hard. I'm going to copy down number 7 on the board. 1, 7, 8. 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 30. Get rid of that. We've got 2/2 equaling 22. Stem, leaf, leaf. Okay, so this is problem 7. How would I do it? Well, first thing I would do is I'm going to write down all the numbers. Our first number is 17. Then we've got 18. Then we've got 22. Then 23. Then 25. Then 26. Then 28. Then 30. And now we just do it the same way we did the previous two problems. Highest number is 30. Lowest number is 17. What's 30 minus 17? Our range is 13. Halfway done. Our range is 13. 30 minus 17 is 13. Okay, let's find the middle number. Bump, 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 bump. Uh-oh, we've got two middle numbers. See that? Two middle numbers. So I'm going to add them up and divide by 2. And when I do that, I get a median of 24. Now, I'm going to ignore that median, and I'm going to look at the numbers, all of the numbers that are smaller than that median, and all of the numbers bigger than that median. What's the median of this data? Well, I'd have to add these two up and divide by 2, which would give me a lower quartile of 20. I'd have to add up these two numbers and divide by 2, which would give me an upper quartile of 27 when I add these together and divide by 2. And my interquartile range, I'm going to have to find the range of these quartiles, the range of these two quartiles. 27 minus 20 is 7. So my interquartile range is 7. That's it. That's it, 8th graders. Hope this helps you. Bye.